You'll have two output trays that come with your printer. The flat output tray that's equipped here is for use with small print runs and with the desktop oven. You can take this off by lifting the tray up and pulling it away from the printer. You can put the tray back on by pressing it into the printer and pressing it down. This locks into position. Whenever you change one of the output trays, ensure that the media has fed through so that it's past either the guillotine blade or is hanging over the edge of the curve blade. Use the front arrow on the front of the printer to do this. With the guillotine flat output tray, it's important that the guillotine is always located to the right hand side.